Every study shows that people love to frequent a business or buy a product when it is tied into a charity. Hey everyone, I'm Laura the Beauty Buster, and today I'd like to talk about incorporating charity into your salon and spa business. It is a great way to promote your business, promote yourself, spread good feelings, make the world a better place, help people at the same time, and also build your brand awareness. I cannot say enough about how important charity has been in my life and in the life of my business. So I think the best way to do it maybe is to break it up into two categories of on location, meaning in your spa, outside of your spa, or in-house, meaning you're doing something in your spa or salon. So there are so many things you can do, and they don't always have to be service related. So one of my friends, he takes his hair salon, and we take one day, a few hours, because now there's a lot of us, making peanut butter and jelly sandwiches for the homeless. This is so much fun, and it's a good way to get to talk to people as we're making the sandwiches. A company comes and a charity comes and they deliver the sandwiches to the homeless in Penn Station, and then the supermarket in town actually donates the peanut butter and jelly and bread. So it's three businesses working together to help other people, and then we have a really great time doing it. It's a lot of fun. Another thing is that you can offer discounts in your location. We do military discounts for current and retired military. You can do fireman discounts. You can do cop discounts. Something to get the people coming back in, and also showing them that you do really appreciate them. You can do a Teacher of the Year award. So I would have people write an essay at the school about their favorite teacher, and whichever essay you choose to win will win, and that person gets a makeover. Or they could, whatever it is, the services that you do, they can come in for a facial and whatever it is. But make it something really good so that everybody's going to want to write this essay and enter their favorite teacher. You can also do Nominate Your Mother for Mother's Day Makeover, certain free services, where they'll write essays, and you can pick the one again that you choose as to why this woman deserves a makeover. It's really great because you get the social media involved. At Facebook, people will share it in their town, put it on your town Facebook page, anything that your town has in terms of newspapers online. They will usually do this for free and share it and be really excited that something fun and free is going on in their town. Another thing I always do every year is Toys for Tots, and this is so much fun. And last year was the best. We had a bunch of teenage boys come in right like towards the end with all of these toys, and they were so excited to bring their baseball bats and soccer balls and footballs and all these really cool items for the Toys for Tots. And then I took those pictures of these boys who I'd never seen before and who normally are never going to come into a spa, but now they came in the door, dropped the toys off, we took the pictures, put on social media, and it was so heartwarming that these kids had so much fun doing this and really understood what they were doing it for. And I'm telling you, the toys we get for Toys for Tots are awesome. I know these people really want these toys themselves and spared no expense at getting these toys for the kids. It is really incredible and so easy and so much fun, and everybody knows Toys for Tots, and they know it's real, it's legit, and the toys go to people in your community. Can't beat that. Another thing you can do is you can have classes and hold those classes in your salon, and a portion of the class will go to a charity. And they could be cheap classes. It could be, $10 to reserve your spot to learn how to do your eyebrows the right way, or learn how to wash your face, or learn about alpha hydroxy acids and what's the best way to exfoliate your face. And those reservation fees can just be turned into a charity. A local charity. Locals is really great, so people know that it's really going to people in their neighborhood. A lot of people do prefer to do that, but anything is great. It's all good. On location things, I like to do makeup for the Tim Tebow Foundation with my church, and we go there and we do makeup on adults for the Night to Shine prom. It is so cool. They throw prom every year all around the world, and for adults with special needs, and so we do their hair and their makeup. It is really, really fun. The men get a shoe shine. It's really good vibes all the way around. Can't beat it. You can teach the Girl Scouts. They have to do all kinds of badges, so why not have your future clients teach them about their skin, what to do, what not to do, about their eyebrows, so they don't mess up their eyebrows before they, get into high school. And that is a really great way to reach out and really get to know the people in your community. You can do a food pantry for the homeless. You can go right to any local food pantry and help organize, take food out of boxes and donations and organize them. I've done that. It gets cold in there, so, but it's a lot of fun and you feel really good. And it's incredible to see the amount of people that go to the food pantry. If you have not been there, you have no idea. There are so many organizations as well where you can go and feed the homeless. So if your staff is really into the homeless population and helping them, that is a really great way to do that. I have so many here. I had to write them all down. Chair massage at marathons. This is really great. You're getting to touch people. You're helping them. You're healing them. You can do anything that your spa does to help people who have just run a marathon. Foot massage, ice packs, anything would be great. People love that. There's also facials at Battered Women's Shelter if you want to go on location, or you can have them come in. You can have people bring in donations of clothing for Dress for Success, and you can also, then you just drop them off the way you same thing with Toys for Tots, or sometimes they come in. I've done makeup for the proms for Covenant House for homeless teens. There are just so many things you can do. There is so much need in the world. It's really amazing. And then last not least, I like to talk about the Skin Games because they do have a compassion category where you can take a video of all the work that you do and the charity that you're working on, and then submit that video to the Skin Games and see if you can win some money for your charity. Money always talks, so that's a really great way. So just check that out as well and get inspired, and then see what you can do to make the world a better place.